Good morning, my dear students. How are you doing? I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourselves. I'm Anisha, your mathematics teacher. Welcome you once again in this virtual session. In today's session, we'll be learning about fractions and some important facts related to fractions. But before we start, please mention your name, class, and section in the comment box so that I'll mark your attendance. Let's begin.
Let's see what's the meaning of fraction, and at the end of this video you will find that fraction is very interesting and easy too. A fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole number. When something is divided up into different smaller pieces, each piece is a fraction of the whole thing. Now dear children, let's have a look at this example, and after that it will be more clear to you. For example, if a pizza has 8 slices, each slice is a fraction of the pizza, and we can also write it as 1/8, that is 1/8. And when you divide something into two equal parts, each part is called a half, that is 1/2, 1/2. Next is, when you divide a whole object into 4 equal parts, each part is called a quarter, 1/4. Now, a fraction has two parts. Fractions are shown by having one number on top of another. For example, 1/4, here 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Let's look at this example. This is 1/2. This fraction is called 1/2. The number 1 is written in orange color. This is numerator, and the number 2 is written in green color, and it's denominator. Numerator is how many parts we are talking about, and denominator is total number of parts. This is telling us we are talking about one part out of two parts. Let's learn how to write fractions in figures or words. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. This is numerator 1, 4 is denominator. In the circle, one part is shaded, so we will write it as numerator, and total parts are 4. So this is denominator, 1/4. In this triangle, two equal parts. If one part is shaded, 1/2 is the fraction. In the circle, three equal parts are there. If one part is shaded, this is 1/3. If two parts are shaded, this is 2/3. In the square, four equal parts are there. Fourths, quarters. If one is shaded, 1/4 or 1/4. If three are shaded, 3/4 or 3/4. Dear children, do you know how we use fractions in daily life? Okay, so here I am going to tell you that while cooking, we use fractions when following a recipe. For example, add 3/4 of a cup of water to the flour, and while eating also, if there are 8 people, we cut the cake into 8 pieces, so there is 1/8 of a cake for everyone. Now here I will tell you interesting fraction fact. Fractions were first introduced in 1550 AD The word fraction has been derived from the Latin fractus, which means broken.
Now, this is Mental Maths 25 and it's given on page number 27. This exercise is related to fractions only. So first is 5/8 is expressed as, so 5 will be numerator here and 8 will be denominator. Next is the numerator in 3/9 is, so here numerator is very good, 3. Now next is the denominator in 6/8 is, yes, very good, denominator is 8. Now next part is, now we have to write the fraction with 5 as numerator and 7 as denominator. As you have learned in this video only, numerator is written above the line and denominator is written below the line. So how we will write that? We will write 5, then we'll put a line, then we will write 7. So this is the fraction with 5 as numerator and 7 as denominator. So these are the answers to the questions. 5/8, here 3, here 8, and in this 5/7. Now dear children, you will find that these questions are easy as you all have learnt tables, right? See, first is 1/5 or 15. Now 15 comes in table of 5, right? On which number? Very good, on 3. So you will write 3 here. Now next is 2/3 of 6. Again you will find out that yes, 6 comes in table of 3 and it comes on 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now after getting this, you need to multiply that 2 by 2. Like 3 2s are 6. So 2 multiplied by 2, that 2 you have to multiply by this number that is on numerator. So 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. Now what will you do in this type of question? Like 1/2 of 16. As you have learnt that 1/2 we write like this. So 1/2 of 16. Now 16 comes in table of 2. On which number? Very good, on 8. So here 8 is the answer. Now my dear children, I believe that you have understood these type of questions and you can easily do these questions in your book. Now let's have a look at these fractions. These are written in figures and these are written in words. 3/4. Here 3 is numerator and 4ths is denominator. 5/7. Here 5 is numerator and 7th is denominator. 8/12. Here 8 is numerator and 12ths is denominator. Please look at these spellings: TWELFTHS. While writing 12ths, we write like this. Alright?
Now dear children, I hope you have understood this topic well. It's your homework time. You have to do all these pages in your book only. Mental Maths 25 of page number 27, homework 17 of page number 59, then homework 18 of page number 60. Please like this video as well, and if you are a new viewer to my channel, Don't forget to subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.